Hey friends, if CPU is not running at full speed in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to set the processor state to maximum in power options. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Okay. Now go to change plan settings, select change advanced power settings. There's an option called processor power management. Expand the maximum power state and make sure that it is 100 for both on battery and plugged in mode. The second solution is through command prompt. So there's a command. I will share it in the description section of the video. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter, and this will fix the problem by disabling the Intel power management drivers. Now it didn't happen on my system because I don't have these drivers. I use an AMD system, but it will work for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.